What it do, baby? It's your girl Robin, and today we are going to be talking about all things journaling. I'm going to be teaching you all the different ways to journal and how they can be beneficial and all the different types of notebooks that I journal in. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing we are going to do is look through all my different types of notebooks. So most of these notebooks I use on a pretty frequent basis, if not a daily basis. So this first notebook that you see right here is my small business notebook. Again, like I said, this is the notebook I use every single day. It is super simple. It's this forest green color. It is a moleskin notebook. Super cute, basic, easy, simplistic. I got it from Barnes & Noble in a pack of 3, I believe. Has this little pocket in the back, which is super nice if you need to stash anything. I don't in this particular notebook, but it is nice to have that little pocket back there. I also inserted this little blank notebook in the middle because this is a company notebook, and so I like a place to sketch down any ideas that I have. So that's my first notebook. This second notebook is just my overall goals and ambitions for all things social media. So this includes anything to do with my photography business, my online small business, my YouTube channel, podcasting, anything of that nature. Anything that's digital and that I'm working on is in this notebook right here. I got this notebook from Target, came in a set of 3 again. I think this notebook is super cute, really simplistic again, so love that. Got it from Target. This next notebook I actually ordered off of Etsy. I love this notebook because it was super simplistic. Again, you can tell I like really basic things. So I just went ahead and put a sticker on the front of this one. I think it's super cute. I like the way that it turned out. Very, again, like I said, simplistic, aesthetically pleasing for me. This specific notebook / planner gives you a lot of options because you can input the date yourself. So if you accidentally skip a month, you can just skip that month and you're not wasting pages, which I really like. We love to save the environment. This next notebook is from the same person from Etsy. Again, I just put stickers all over this one. I think it turned out really cute. I really like the way that it looks on the outside. As you can tell, I'm just showing it off right here. I like this as well because it kind of puts your month at a really clear glance versus just the boxes, which gets fun and exciting and colorful, but that's just a little more easy for me to read. Alright, so this notebook is my baby. I love this notebook. I got it from Barnes & Noble once again. It is so cute. Leather, has this tie, and also has a little ribbon to mark your page. I use this journal, as you can tell, for everything. I use it as a journal, as a scrapbook, as memorabilia, as my notes. I use it to take notes at church on Sundays and Wednesdays when I go to church. I use it for a whole bunch of different things. It is really just my go-to journal. It's my baby. It's full of memorabilia, like I said. So this is really just my baby. I use it for any and everything, to write down all my thoughts, project ideas, and I just love that notebook. So I just wanted to show that one off too because it is my go-to. Alright, next is my Foxy Fix. So this isn't an actual notebook itself, but it's what holds all those notebooks that I just showed you. I love this. I've had it for a very long time and didn't start utilizing it until very recently. So these pockets are super beneficial for my business cards, so I keep a laminated one right there. Keep some cute cards just to keep it looking all spicy up in the front. I love the way that my Foxy Fix ended up turning out once I actually started working on it. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick flip through and show you how I would input these journals into my Foxy Fix. And I'm just going to talk about the importance of journaling while I input those in there. Journaling can be beneficial for so many different reasons. Some of those reasons include self-improvement. So if you start writing in a journal, you can reflect on how far you've come from when you first started writing in your journal. It's also super important to manifest things in journaling. So scripting is a very big thing that has helped me out in my own life. I see a lot of results with it. So that's just writing down your manifestations in present tense as though they have already happened. And it's just super important to be able to reflect and see how far you've personally come and to just talk to yourself. Sometimes we forget to talk to ourselves, so journaling can help us do all of those things. So here I'm just giving you a quick flip through of my Foxy Fix and all of those notebooks, like I said, just so you guys can see how I have it laid out, kind of how it is functional for me. And then also to see that in every single one of these notebooks, I really practice what I preach. I manifest in these journals. I use them as my calendars and to organize my life. I just wanted to showcase some personal examples to you guys of me writing out my affirmations and my manifestations in my journals. I think it's super important that people see that we really are doing these things, and that when people talk about journaling and things like that, it really does benefit you to do it. It has really, really helped me out with my self-confidence and just getting up and doing things and being confident in who I am and my small business and everything that I do. So here I'm just showing you guys some of the affirmations that I write down in this back journal. There are lots of different affirmations, so this first page is full of different affirmations. Then my following pages are me just writing one affirmation repeatedly over and over and over again. So here I'm just showcasing all of that. Okay, so here is me just taking out this notebook and writing some affirmations. I just wanted to show you guys kind of what I do when I do write out my affirmations. So here we go. And last but not least, here is me journaling for Valentine's Day. So I just ripped up the envelope of my card and I'm now writing just a little something to remember the day. Alright y'all, so that is it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like, comment, and subscribe for more content.